I'm in my third year, General Global Law School, and I'm immensely interested in the field of media and entertainment law. I'm pursuing a diploma course from LawSikho on intellectual property, media and entertainment laws. And hopefully after my journey at law school, I wish to end up maybe at a law firm practicing media and entertainment law, or maybe as an in-house counsel to a production company. So these are the two alternatives that I see my future in. Media and entertainment law is a very niche field. I knew that before I chose that I want to do something in this field. And basically, the major work related to the field is related to contract drafting or understanding the Cinematograph Act or things like that. So, and the opportunities, it's very hard to get them, to tell you the truth, because I've been trying to get internships in the field, but it has been hard journey till now. And that is why I just wanted to know everything that is in the field, everything that in-house counsels do, everything that lawyers in law firms do, so that if I get an opportunity to intern in the coming future, I can just make the best of that opportunity and succeed in it. And saying that, I have to bring it out here that the placements team at LawSikho has been working tirelessly for people like me, for people who just dream to get settled in the field. And I have full confidence that I will get an internship through them in the coming months. And I just want to learn everything before that, so I can just make the best of that opportunity. So basically, the course structure is something that I love, and the course structure is something that actually convinced me to enroll in the course in the first place. So I just decided that I want to do media and entertainment law. I was looking at what I can do through Google searches, and frankly, it disheartens me that there are very few law schools that actually teach this subject. There are very few courses that are available, and thank you to LawSikho, because if LawSikho would not have been there, I don't think I could have gained this amount of knowledge. Secondly, the structure of the course is so amazing because it's such a real life based experience. So instead of just sitting down and teaching us the theoretical concepts, instead of just sitting down and telling us what is being done, the course challenges the participants to actually do that. And that is one of the best parts of it. So for example, I'm a third year law student. I have never studied intellectual property rights. But in the course, I'll just get an assignment that, well, you have to draft an appeal before the IPAB. So it can get very intimidating in the beginning that, well, I don't know anything about this. How will I do it? But if I attend the classes, if I read the things, if I understand the templates, actually I find myself week after week completing those assignments, getting good grades on them. And actually I'm astonished by myself that the work that I've been doing in my 6 months of this course, it's like, if you'd ask me, I never thought that I could do that. So the practical approach of the course is something that is excellent. So that is what guided me towards this. And especially, I think the diploma course that I'm pursuing is a very good factor, because there's also a certificate course available in LawSikho for only media and entertainment law. But I think the IP part of it is also helping me a lot, because at the end of the day, it all gets connected somehow. So I have to look for trademark infringements also if I'm analyzing if a audio-visual script is fine or not, or things like that. So I think it's a whole comprehensive experience that is basically covering all the parts that I want to and getting me ready for it. I think, ma'am, just one thing that I seriously love the intention of everybody at LawSikho. Like, I don't know if I'm putting it correctly or not, but you know, whosoever I've talked to till now, in the last 6 months, I've talked to 10 to 15 people from LawSikho, and all of them have this innate desire to help me, which is something which is very rare. So like, for example, I know that I can contact anybody regarding any grievance that I have, regarding any problem that I have, and they'll genuinely want to help me with it. They'll want to solve it themselves, or they'll always direct me to the right person to solve it. So, you know, it's not just like that. It's not just, so there's a difference between being a teacher and a mentor, right? So LawSikho makes that, like, you know, bridges that gap and becomes that mentor, because at the end of the day, everybody here actually cares about us. So that is something that's great, and that's very rare to find, I guess.